There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights in this workshop that we want to improve. 8, they're the wrong color, you know, they're warm style, and they're not very bright. So we bought these, which are daylight and 1100 luminous on the higher side, and they got a wide angle. So hopefully it will make a difference here. I'm not sure this comes up clearly, but that is the old one, and that's now the new one. You can see it's much brighter, this one. It's almost kind of glary a bit, but
yeah, but it's
only, I guess if you look,
shining down, it's shining, how do you say it, at an angle. I don't know where
new one, old one. The difference is quite a lot, isn't it?
I don't know where.
So these are the old ones, and look, already that side is much better illuminated with just those two. And it's incredible difference, really.
But as I told you, they're all bad. The ones in the lounge are different, and I really struggle with that one. What is that on me? Okay, clip.
Jeez, this is so incredibly fiddly. This is so incredibly fiddly. There's got to be a better way. Tell me there's a better way. These ones feel a little bit like they're maybe a little bit longer, making this harder to put on. Okay, it's in there. Okay, turn on the light. Let's see.
Ta-da! Oh yes.
Wow.
Shit.
And then
With that thing in the middle.
it's a lot better now. It's a lot better. And then, yeah, and then that to boot. Yeah, I think it matches quite well.
Yeah, it does.
I think maybe it could be slightly cooler.
Look, Brian. I wonder if I should put that. This lounge is over.
Well, we really should have improved the lighting here earlier.
I've been actually thinking of it, and then I forgot about it. Because it's summer now, it's not as violent as what it is in winter.
And what should we do with the old ones?
I don't know. What do you do with them?
These things.
Can't you see how bright it is in here?
It's better, isn't it?
I mean, it was quite dim, but look at that.
Yeah.
Obviously, when
These are E-rated.
they're always E-rated. It's like
Always E.
I haven't actually come across anything. Maybe other lights.